Hi guys, welcome to Ultra Crypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll talk about what is Tezos, what the whale think about the current Bitcoin situation, the current status of Binance and Forbes, Nance's new application Nance Connect, also latest news in market movement. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll really appreciate it. First of all, let's check out how the whales think about the Bitcoin crash. The CEO of Double Line Capital, Jeffrey Gundlach, also known as the latest king of bonds, says that he wouldn't be surprised that if Bitcoin price dropped another 50% because the Bitcoin is going through a mass sellout. So he doesn't think it will go up at the price around 20,000 or 21,000. Even if it drops to 10,000, he wouldn't be surprised. The crash of Bitcoin is imminent. For the past week, the whole cryptocurrency lost over $1 trillion US. Based on the whole market starting to lose faith, I don't think it'll be hard for Bitcoin to drop below 20,000. Dropping to 10,000 is possible, but it's gonna take time. If Bitcoin drops below 20,000, the next support zone will be around 16,000. The analyst of Onda Edward Moya mentioned in a report for clients that after suffering of these few days, people are feeling really negative about cryptocurrency. If the Bitcoin price drops below 20,000, the market will get even worse. Also, the founder and the CEO of Tallback and Capital, Michael Purves, says that he thinks Bitcoin will face a long-term drop. Even though it's like that, investors should start taking profit from current short position for short term. I personally think cryptocurrency is just a bigger target for investors to tell stories about. The current situation is for the whole market worldwide, not just crypto. Binance invested $200 million in Forbes strategically in February, which made them one of the largest shareholders. Also, Forbes plans to be listed on New York Stock Exchange with FRBS stock code. The founder of Binance CZ mentioned the edit independency of Forbes is inviolable. The investment is to support Forbes to jump out of the traditional Web 1 company to Web 3 by blockchain and cryptocurrency. Also, Forbes terminated the merge with Magnum Opus OPA on June 1st already. But based on Forbes giving up the IPO plan for SPAC, the investment of Binance also failed at the same time. But CZ mentioned that they are still willing to invest. The difference will be the listed term and details. I think the Binance will still stick with the plan because CZ is building up a long-term goal during this downturn, instead of focusing on what's happening at the moment. Nansen is a blockchain analytic platform that enriches on-chain data with millions of wallet labels. They came out with a new application, Nance Connect, which is a Web3 message switch program for NFT and crypto communities. Nance Connect will choose the user's name by Nance's wallet label. Also get the user included in different communities based on the current NFT and crypto positions. Users will be able to send out private messages independently. It will be end-to-end encrypted. You can reject the message at the same time. Also be able to monitor the address data in the current positions and create an OTC platform. The major messenger used for crypto community is Discord. But recently there are problems with a lot of fraud, harassment message, and etc. The difference between Discord and Nansen is that Nansen uses Web3 application, so users have to log in with their wallet, and Discord allows everyone to log in. So this will actually solve a lot of problems. In this case, I'll personally switch to Nansen instead of using Discord since I've been seriously annoyed by all this. Now let me explain what is Tezos XTZ. Tezos is a decentralized open source blockchain that can execute peer-to-peer transactions and serve as a platform for deploying smart contracts. Tezos set out in 2014 to create what is called a self-amending blockchain. The live blockchain is launched to the public in the year 2018. Tezos would allow anyone who owns its XTZ cryptocurrency to vote on possible changes to its rules. Once it's decided, the software will automatically update to ensure the changes were made. Tezos aim to reduce the chances its blockchain might fork. By doing that, they created two separate cryptocurrency with two distinct prices. Tezos will alter blockchain taxonomy by effectively separating crypto asset into two camps, which are off-chain governance and on-chain governance. How the system works is that Tezos users are allowed to vote through a process called baking, in which they agree to lock the XTZ they own in a special contract. The fun part is, the users can become bankers or delegate XTZ to other bankers to win newly minted XTZ from the protocol. But presently, blockchain developers consider Tezos as an immature network, since it's difficult to predict its transaction fee and speeds. Tezos' high Gini coefficient indicating a potential security risk. As we can see, XTZ also faced a significant drop for almost 86% from the highest point. As a price forecast, XTZ might be traded from 5 to 6.2 US dollar by the end of year 2023, and might reach 7 to 8.8 US dollar by the end of year 2025. Even though it's quite cheap right now, the whole world is going through a bear market, so it should actually go down even lower. For investors who are interested in Tezos, we can buy in partially after every drop. But please be aware, Tezos XTZ is a riskier asset, that's why the risk reward is really high. So we have to always keep risk management in mind. Now, let's check out the market movement. This is the daily candlestick chart for Bitcoin. As we can see, the solid red candlestick formed yesterday engulfed the previous green candlestick, which is a short signal. As I mentioned yesterday, the spike up is just short term because the FOMC meeting met the market expectation. But the hot money is taken away is a fact. Not only Bitcoin, the US major leading indexes all suffer through this tragedy. This is the hourly candlestick chart for Bitcoin. We can see the wedge is narrowing up and the MACD is stalling. So in short term, the market will consolidate and wait for another drop. But this doesn't mean that we should just short the market with no strategy. We still need to have a stop loss and take profits set up. Always keep in mind that the market is seriously not that simple. If Bitcoin drops below 20,000, the next support zone will be at 16,000. So we can take profit if it goes to 16,000, then observe it's gonna drop more. This is a weekly candlestick chart. We can see how solid this red candlestick this week is. Even if Bitcoin pulls up this weekend, there will still be a really long shadow below, which is not that healthy for market either. Overall, we're currently in a bear market and gonna face an economic recession for a long time. Again, this doesn't mean that we should just keep on shorting the market brainlessly. It's just really that simple. Most people are rich already. So trading with disciplined strategy is still very important. But it will be a great opportunity to find good timing to enter potential altcoin with a cheaper price. Thank you for watching MorrisBrownCrypto. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.